right, Paulie. Let's see where they at. So, we just got home. Paulie apparently has attacked one of the lambs, and we think his spur broke off in our lamb's cheek. And so we're trying to figure out right now how to open up our lamb's cheek to get the spur out. But I can already tell that this is iodine on here, but I can already tell that that spur is damaged for sure, which means it broke off. So let me go ahead and we just put iodine on his dew claw. Paulie, what are you doing? You can't keep doing this to the lambs. You just can't keep doing this. It's just, can't we all get along? That's all I ask. Can't we all just get along? All right, I'm gonna put you down. Go, good boy. No.
Poor fella.
I know, that hurts. No, I know it hurts him.